Learn to spell farm animal names. Cow! Say cow, boys and girls. Boys and girls, let's spell cow. Cow. C. Say C. O. Say O. W. Say W. Spells what, boys and girls? Cow. Boys and girls, do you know what sound a cow makes? Moo. Can you say moo? Say moo. Now we're going to spell moo. M. Say M. O. Say O. Another O. Say O. Spells what? Moo. Boys and girls, who do you think Mother Cow is looking for? Yes, she's looking for her baby calf. What a cutie! Let's spell calf. Are you ready, boys and girls, to spell calf? Calf. C. Say C. A. Say A. L. Say L. F. Say F. Spells what, boys and girls? Calf. Good job. What sound does a calf make, boys and girls? Moo. Let's spell moo. M. Say M. O. Say O. O. Say O. Spells what? Moo. Let's review the words and spellings, boys and girls. Cow. C. O. W. Spells what? Cow. Calf. Let's spell calf. C. A. L. F. Spells what? Calf. Great job. What sound does a cow and a baby calf make? Moo. Let's spell moo. M. O. O. Spells what, boys and girls? Moo. You are smarter.